Ladies and gentlemen, we have just arrived to our hotel here in Anaheim. We're staying tonight at the DoubleTree Suites by Hilton. Mommy, are you good? Was that a long trip?
Yeah.
Was that a long trip?
Yeah.
Baby, you good?
Yeah.
We're all excited. We're checking in, guys. And we're going to hit the hay soon. All right, DESFAM, we're here in beautiful morning time at the Disneyland Resort once again inside the beautiful promenade. First off, today we're going to hit up Disney's California Adventure to check out all the cool stuff happening for Halloween, all the stuff that we missed last time on the last adventure that we did here at Disney's California Adventure. And then we're going to be going across the way to Disneyland Park to check out what's new and what they got going on there for Halloween, guys. So come and join us on another adventure. If you guys haven't already done so, make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to follow us on Instagram too at DESFAM Adventures on Instagram and on YouTube, guys. So here we go. Let's go. Alright, so we're back at the Disney's California Adventure, and so far it looks like Halloween is still in full swing. Not too crowded today for a beautiful Sunday morning. And also today is an Oogie Boogie Bash event at 6 o'clock, so DCA will be closing a little early today at 6 p.m. So make sure if you guys plan on coming on a Sunday, before and during the Halloween season, that you guys check the Disneyland schedules on the website to make sure they don't close early if you guys plan on coming to an event. And there's Mickey out there just greeting guests and having a great old time, wearing his best Halloween outfit this Halloween season. Look at him, he looks great. Hi Mickey, you look fantastic. Look at you. You ready for Halloween? You excited? Great, Mickey. Thank you so much. We'll see you later today. Have a great day, Mickey. Thank you. Big shout out to the Morales family. All right, guys, have a great time today. DCA, yay! Bye. All right, guys, so that was awesome. We just made some new friends here at Disney's California Adventure. Big shout out to them. And we hope that they had a great day and a magical day like we're starting to have here at Disney's California Adventure. All right, guys, check out Cars Land. Beautifully themed for the Halloween season. Wow. Not bad, Disney, not bad. I love the whole mean scary faces with the tires, the mufflers, and the traffic cones on the top that they put on top of the power poles. That's pretty cool. I love how Disney gets really creative with all these kind of designs and all kinds of cool stuff like that, especially for the holidays. All right, first stop of the day, we're gonna grab ourselves a little early morning snack here at the Cars Land area. I don't know what this place is called. I think it's like the Cozy Cones. The Cozy Cones Hotel. Thank you, babes. See, this is what I got her, guys.
Alright guys, so we got the spicy mac and cheese from the Cozy Cones Motel in DCA. We've been seeing this everywhere, so we wanted to try it ourselves. So let's give it a taste. Pretty good. It tastes like when you get a bag of hot Cheetos and just pour nacho cheese in it. It's like perfect. A little spicy, but not too much. Definitely give it a try.
Let's give it a try. Let's see. First time I've ever had this. First time. First time.
I think it's limited edition. Maybe
is it really?
Like limited time.
Wow. That is really good. I actually don't like hot Cheetos, I'm sorry. I'm like the first person in the world.
Crazy.
I know. But it's cool that it comes like in a little cone that you can actually eat. You walk around. It's a cool little snack, guys. Not bad. I give it about 4 Fat Boy snacks. So inside Cars Land, inside the store where we just took pictures with Lele, on the inside they have this really cool looking ofrenda as this, inside the store as a display. Pretty cool stuff, guys. Look at that. So having a lot of fun today so far. Just cruising low and slow on Route 66 here at Cars Land, guys. Make sure to check out all the cool details that are everywhere. Take a quick moment, just like an extra minute or so when you guys are out here, just to see what other cool stuff is out there. I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff and a lot of small little details that sometimes you don't catch because you're in a hurry or you're rushing somewhere, but take the time to actually like check out all the cool stuff that's out there. And trust me, like, it'll be worth it to catch all the little extras and surprises. All right, folks, in this part of our adventure, we're heading towards La Plaza de la Familia, where they're celebrating Coco and the Dia de los Muertos tradition in Mexico. So let's go check it out. Alright, so we just got done watching the Coco Show. What'd you think, baby? Lele's saying bye to all the dancers and Miguel and all the performers.
Bye.
Baby, did it make you want to seize your moment?
Yes, Daddy.
I'm un poco loco. Guys, if you're here at Disney's California Adventure and you guys have a chance to catch the show, make sure to catch it. It's only about 10 or 15 minutes long, but definitely will capture your heart, guys. Something to check out. How you doing so far, Mommy?
It's hot. I'm thirsty. And I'm hot.
Lele, how you doing, baby?
She's ready to go on some rides.
Baby.
You tired?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so now we are moving on to Disneyland Park for the rest of our adventure. Let's go check out what they got going on for Halloween. Alright, we're not back at the Magic Kingdom here at Disneyland. This is the original happiest place on earth in California. I love how Disney just does a great job of decorating Main Street. Main Street's always the highlight of the park, and that's the first thing that guests see when they walk in. And it's really awesome to see all the Halloween decor and the fall decor, especially with the pumpkins and the Halloween time on the lampposts. It's really a nice touch that they do. There she is, folks. Sleeping Beauty's castle and the partner statue with Walt Disney and Mickey Mouse. The greatest symbol of the happiest place on earth. It's so good to be back. I love bringing the family down here. It's the best. Alright, so right after a great meal at the Riverboat Terrace, now we're heading to the Haunted Mansion where they have the overlay for the Nightmare Before Christmas at the Haunted Mansion. So we're going to go out there and check it out. Are you excited, babes?
Yeah, babe, I'm excited.
There it is.
Excited too.
Yes, she is. Alright, guys, let's go check it out. Alright, so the current wait time at the Haunted Mansion is only 40 minutes. Not too bad for an afternoon, evening at Disneyland. DESFAM, we have survived until the end of the night. Now we're here waiting on Main Street, right in front of the hub, waiting to see the fireworks show tonight. So make sure you guys stick around and watch that. We're going to put up some clips in just a moment. Alright, DESFAM, we survived an entire day here at the Disneyland Resorts. We are finally heading home after the fireworks show. Hope you guys had a great time tonight. Once again, guys, if you guys haven't already, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe right underneath, and make sure you guys sign up for our Patreon account and really help us out to pay for our next adventure and see what kind of adventures we have next. From the Des family, guys, we'll see you guys later. Take care of yourselves and everybody else. You guys have a great night and a great evening. Lele, say bye. She's tired. We'll see you guys later. We'll see you guys on the next adventure. Des family, out.